Hello guys again and welcome back to another video. Today is all about reviewing and testing the Eufy Cam 2 Pro. We're gonna find out together the video quality and how you can use all the specs, all the options that it can give you this camera. Down below to the description I have made a video about unboxing and setup to your network. It is very important, check out that video. Now as we can see, we've got two cameras, the living room and the front door. Both cameras are the same, it is the same specs, the same options. That's why I will start with the living room. Tap, we can see preparing to play. We can see we've got the network strength down below. I have turn off, turn on the speaker. Hold and speak.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Can you hear me guys? I think it is very loud and clear. Now my voice is coming through the speaker of the camera. Nice, it sounds very good and very clear. Thumbs up.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Hello guys again, how are you? Now you can hear my voice through the microphone of the camera. And I think it sounds very clear. Nice, thumbs up, great job. That's how you will have the two-way communication and you can hear each other very well.
You can take a screenshot, save it to phone album. You can start a record. Same, save it to phone album. More. Turn on night vision. Manual alarm. It will trigger device to sound an alarm. Camera. And it sounds very loud. Nice. Home base. Easy security tech alarm has been turned off. Okay, nice. Or you can choose both. Together. Nice feature, I like it. Now let's go to the settings. Name living room, you can change of course the name. Camera on, off. Do you want to turn off the camera? The live feed and motion detection feature will be disabled and the camera cannot be set. No. Status LED will flash when the device is live streaming or recording. Confirm. Now let's go back to see the live streaming. Yep. And we can see the LED is on. Back to the settings. We've got the auto night vision on, off of course, anti-theft detection. Please confirm you have mounted the camera at your desired location. Camera and home base will sound alarm when camera is removed. Well, let's test it to see if that is true. Preparing to play, live. Let's try to remove it. Oh, the magnet is so hard. I'm installing the camera. And there it is. Eufy security tech alarm activated. Do the triggering of live. Oh, let's put the camera at the right position.
Alarm off.
Oh, and the alarm is off when I put the camera again at the position. Let's try it again. Oh yeah. Nice. Put it again back.
Alarm off.
Home base and the camera, they sound together. Definitely the thief, it will be afraid. The alarm, it will stop automatically when the camera, it will install again back to the base, or you can stop it manual. That is a very good feature. Watermark. Off, no timestamp and logo, timestamp and logo. Motion detection. Turn on motion detection. Here you can adjust the detection sensitivity. It will go from 1 to 7. Human only, all motions. And you've got the motion test mode. Living room will flash red when motion is detected. You can test the motion sensor detection distance with this mode. And you can adjust in here. Well, let's me pass through to see. And we can see it's flashing red. That means it will detect me. Will flash red when motion is detected. Correct, it's flashing red. Activity zone. You can add. Well, let's say here, in this area. And you can add another one. This is the green color. Okay, now let's check at the green zone if I'm going to get a notification. Oh yes.
East security living room, someone has been spotted. I could get the red LED of the camera. Now let's see at the blue zone.
If I will get a notification. Nothing is flashing at the camera. No notification. Great, it's working perfect. And of course you can choose all motions. All motion will be recorded and push it both at day and night time. You can delete the activity zone. Power Manager. I have shown you at the other video about this Power Manager. You can choose optimal battery life, optimal surveillance or customized recording. That it will drain the battery life will decrease dramatically on this mode. Optimal battery life, video clip length is up to 20 seconds. Let's choose optimal surveillance. Video quality, you can choose streaming quality, auto, high, medium, low. I will choose on high. Recording quality on Full HD 1080p or 2K HD. 2K HD is good. Audio settings. Turn on or off your microphone. Audio recording. Enable audio recording when recording clips. Speaker, you can turn off or on. Speaker volume, medium, high. Let's put it on high. Notification, most efficient, get notification without delay, only text included. Full effect, get notification first, then thumbnail included if available. Include thumbnail, get full notification, include text and thumbnail, if available of course. Motion alerts, silent, bell. You can choose the sounds. Put it on most efficient. NAS RTSP. Please confirm if you want to configure your camera video clips stored to your NAS device via RTCP. You need to have an external device that you can plug it with USB at the home base too, and then you need to install the software that you can control all this. Share the device. Share device to your family or friends. Invite. They need of course to register and make a new account. And about the device, you can remove the device. And here we can see we can snooze it 30 minutes to 12 hours. And we've got some clips here and the alarms, all the events at today. And of course you can download, share, donate or delete the video. And of course you can play the video, see the event, check out the footage if everything is good at the place where is the camera. And we can see the quality is great, you can see very clear. Thumbs up, great job. Security. Here you can choose the mode. Your system is working a home mode. Enable when you are at home. And there you can adjust everything. You're editing the home mode. You can enable this mode when people are home. Alarm delay, living delay, many adjustments. When motion is detected, record video, push notification, camera alarm, home base alarm. On away, and the same, you can adjust other settings when you are choosing away. Disarming, disable all device triggers. Geofencing, choosing this option when you're moving away from your home, it will enable your security alarm and camera, and when you're coming closer to your home it can disable the security camera and the alarm. You need to give access the app to your smartphone to know your location. Schedule, manage based on schedule. Disarm, home, away, add, select mode, away or home, activation time, from to, repeat the days, nice. And customize, you can customize your own security mode, nice. I like that it has so many options to do by yourself all this. Automation, you can do your own automation, create an automation, choose trigger, let's say front camera, detection mode, choose action, living room, camera alarm or record a video. Add trigger, sound the alarm. I like the automation. That means when a camera detects a motion, it will trigger the alert at your home base. Let's say your camera is outside, you're in, and when someone is passing from outside the home base, it will alert you. And of course, if you've got other products from Eufy, here they've got other products, eufyCam E, eufyCam 2 2C Pro, Solo Pro, float light camera. On automation, when motion detected, they can turn on the lights. Wired doorbell, battery doorbell, smart lock touch and Wi-Fi. Well, I hope someday I will get these devices to my hand. I like smart devices. Motion sensor, keypad, many products. Now let me pass things through again. And I will get a notification.
Hey guys, how are you? I think the video quality is great. They are doing a great job. Instantly you will get a notification on your smartphone with no problem. Thumbs up, great job.
Red light is on, notification to our smartphone.
That is very quick, thumbs up. Well, let's try it and add the night because the night vision is very important if we need to have a great quality at the night.
And there is the night vision, you can see the LEDs are total dark. And there is the night vision, you can see the LEDs and notification of course, 4 LEDs that they show us the night vision is on. And log in at the camera and we can hear the night vision is on. And we've got a notification at the night with the night vision on. And I can say the video quality is very good. It looks great. Thumbs up. They are doing an amazing job. Thumbs up, Eufy. Hey guys. And the night vision is always on when I am logging at the camera and is streaming live. And that was and the night vision. Great quality. And the notification, very fast. I like all the options, the adjustments that you can do with this camera. It is amazing. Great quality video, night and day. 2K resolution. 365 days battery life. 10 days now I'm using this camera and it's still in 100% the battery. Amazing. I have so big curiosity to see how long it will last, this battery. Well, I will leave down below to the description all about. And if you need to buy this camera, you can check down below to the description. There is the link, click it and you will see more about this camera, more information. Eufy, it has a varieties of products, definitely something you will like it and just buy it. And buy this camera, it is amazing for me. You can install it at your home, garage, basement, at your store, outdoors. It is IP67 waterproof, heavy storm, dust resistance. Definitely it will do an amazing job. And of course it has a great design, it can fit anywhere. It fits to my palm, small but so powerful. That was all guys, thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.